Found a BSY file from a flashcard study session and need to access the cards? This format powers spaced repetition vocabulary learning in a free educational tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use VTrain learning files. My experience tells me that some BSY files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. A .BSY file is a proprietary format used by brother sewing and embroidery machines to store design patterns. Users, typically hobbyists or professionals in textiles, encounter these files when they purchase, download, or create custom embroidery designs. The goal is to transfer the file to the machine for automated stitching. The .BSY format is a binary file containing vector-based stitch instructions, thread color information, and machine commands. This proprietary binary structure was designed by brother to be compact and directly readable by their machine's firmware, ensuring precise and efficient control over the needle's movement. The anticipated software for loading BSY is PE Design. Created by Brother Industries, Lutide, standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows cannot show stitch density or direction, so proper viewing requires specialized tools. The key to fixing this BSY file is finding the right software association. Right-click it and choose Open With. Start with PE Design if available. If not, select another application from the list. If you still cannot open your BSY file, that is okay. This is where the real troubleshooting begins. Let's challenge the file by testing these known weak points to find out where the error is coming from. First, opening in VTrain. Download VTrain from Paul Radel's website, which provides the application as freeware. Install on Windows and open the BSY file via File then Open. The flashcard set loads with all cards categories and learning progress intact, ready for continued spaced repetition study sessions. Next, importing into Anki. VTrain provides export options to plain text or CSV via File then Export. Import the resulting file into Anki, the popular modern flashcard platform, mapping fields to Anki note types. This migration preserves card content while gaining Anki's broader platform support and synchronization. Finally, backing up progress. Copy BSY files to cloud storage or external drives regularly to preserve learning progress. VTrain stores all review history within the BSY file, making complete backups, essential for long-term study continuity. Multiple backup copies protect against accidental deletion or file corruption. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.